Good morning and welcome, my fellow crafters, to Crafting Unedited. My name is Sierra, and today I am going to show you how to use Cricut Design Space Align. So basically, take some words and align them a certain way so that they fit to the project that you want. I already have my design space up, so we're going to go ahead and dive in. This is going to be a quick tutorial for you. So I have this really awesome image and quote that I'm going to put on my newly remodeled or newly painted bathroom walls. And it's a really cute quote, and it kind of already aligns perfectly with this tree that I picked. So I don't need to change it, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to change it for you. So what we can do is we're going to select the words here, if my computer will cooperate. And we're going to move them down just a little bit so that I can align them for you. So you have a couple of options here. One, you select the font or the words and you go up here to alignment. In this alignment tool, you get a drop down. You're going to get to the left where it's already at. That's just how it normally does. To the center where it centers everything and it aligns it so that it kind of stacks. Or you can go to the right, just like that. Now I want mine to the left so that it's not so wonky. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to align your images so that, say you want this exactly where I had it before, or if you want it like similar to that, or if you want it right in the middle. There's a whole bunch of options. So what you're going to do here is select everything. You can either do that by selecting all up here, right here, and it selects everything for you, or just click the whole thing. So next you just go over here to this align button, and now you have a whole lot of drop downs. So you can align everything to the left. We don't want that. You can center it. You can align it to the right, top, where everything lines up at the top, the bottom, everything lines up at the bottom. You can center it all, where it literally goes right in smack dab in the middle. You can distribute it horizontally and distribute it vertically. That wasn't a great example of those. All right, so let's put my stuff somewhat to the way that I want it. Oh, these words, they don't want to, since it's updated, it doesn't want to cooperate properly. So I want these two. I want the tree and the owl to be aligned centered. So I'm going to center them vertically, just like that. And then I want my words to be in line. I think I want them the bottom. Yeah, like that. Birdie's a little too far away. There we go. So that is how you align your words or your images together so that they fit the project that you want. Now, the other thing that you can do is say, let's type hello. And of course, they're going to put that right with my owl. So now you have hello. But we want to change the font. Let's find a cursive font for you. Go with this, just for example purposes. So because this is so far apart, I want to put them together a little bit more. So we're going to kind of condense the letter spacing a little bit. I don't know why that's still selected as bold, but we don't need it to be bold. I'm just going to go ahead and put this down to 0. So that's how you get rid of some of the spacing in your letters. The other way to create them to connect, so this is kind of like a twofer video, is, oops, I did that too fast for you. So you're going to select hello, or your wording, and then you're going to go up here to advanced, and you're going to select ungroup to letters. So when you ungroup to letters, that gives you the ability to move your letters individually so that they connect like a cursive font. Look how fun that is. And then when you're all done getting them aligned to the way that you want, you can, oh, I don't want to select them all. I just want to select, geez, these, because I want to align them at the bottom so that they're all level. The H, I typically like to make the first letter a little bit bigger and then do it like that. So then once you've got all of that and you've aligned your letters properly, you can reattach them so that they are connected all together. And that's it, guys. That's how you align your fonts or your words or your images or whatever you want so that everything is even. Now, these two are on, they're going to be the same color, I believe. So you can cut them on one mat and they'll stay exactly the way they are if I attach them. But if I don't attach them, then when they come out on the print or on the cut, they're going to be separate. So it'd be up to you to align it properly. But for visual image of how your project should look, this is a good way to align everything. And then with the wording, it's going to stay exactly how it is when it goes on the wall. It'll be perfectly aligned the way that I want it, not all wonky. All right, that's how you do it, guys. That is how you align fonts and images in Design Space. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see all of my quick tutorials. I plan on doing a lot more of these Design Space tutorials for you. It can be very confusing, so I want to help you out. So make sure you subscribe so that you can see that. Until next time, have a fantastic one.